We're in the airplane now. There is 15,000 children on this flight. This will be fun.
My name's Jeff.
Oh, damn.
Honestly,
If only.
yeah, only.
We'll pretend. It feels really disgusting because it feels like the inside of Houston on this airplane right now.
It feels like Houston.
Look at that shit.
Yours are bad.
Mine are bad. I'm tired.
My money bags.
It's also because I'm like starved, anemic, and dehydrated.
Dehydrated, for real. Dehydrated. They don't got no good water.
Dry as shit.
All Aquafina, Smart.
That's what it said on there?
They don't even got water on here.
Go buy one.
I'll be right back. Give me 5 minutes. I'll go run. I'm fast, bug boy. Like I
I'll
was saying,
drink
they
me
got
a
the
soda early in the morning. It's almost 5:30.
Oh, my bad.
We've been awake since 2:30. We went to bed at like 12 or 11. What is that?
It's in a can.
Is it like sparkling?
Purified still water.
Shit looks disgusting. Our friends are waking up early as shit just for us.
Are they really?
They are. So that they'll be awake.
Is 7 o'clock early for them?
We're about to take a train. I'm so excited. This is fun. Post consistently.
You need to post.
Add a photo shoot because that's all I do and post about on YouTube is my photo shoots.